Interfor is constantly growing, constantly expanding, and the people that work for Interfor are doing likewise. There's always chances for advancement. There's always opportunities to move up. In my case, personally, every time that I was seeking an opportunity to advance, I was able to achieve that.
Well, Interfor provides an excellent opportunity for you if you have the desire to want to move into management. You can go from an hourly person into a lead person, into supervision.
Interfor is an extraordinary company to me. I've seen people go from utility to production that are now in leadership skills.
I'm Ron Hammond. I'm night shift sawmill supervisor. I started off at the edge outfeed about 7 years ago and kind of worked my way up. I started from the edge outfeed, moved to the gang outfeed, trimmer, cut-up saw, head rig, debarker. Pretty much did everything inside the mill and worked my way up, and here I am.
At Interfor, I started as a utility person. And so as a utility person at the round table, I worked there for about 6 months, and then I was promoted to the machine operator, promoted from within. And so as the opportunity became available, I applied the knowledge that I gained from working as utility, and it helped me to get the job.
I started here about 4 years ago. Just put in an application. Really, I wasn't even sure exactly what they did out here, but I wanted to try something different, something new. So they hired me. And at first, I was a little nervous about it, working with all males, but it came out to be pretty good. I ended up learning a lot, starting at a level 1 job and then getting to a level 3 job.
By them hiring me, they give me an opportunity. And when they give me an opportunity, I took at it.
Interfor invests in the people with our training center for millwrights. That's something that not many companies are doing. So we train people on site. We bring them in with no experience, and they can go into that program and learn how to be a millwright.
Here at Interfor, we've developed our own millwright apprenticeship program. We are situated here in Perry, Georgia, where we have a state-of-the-art training center right on one of our mill sites. Cross dial, we are going to use the A dial as our zero reference. So everything gets measured from our A dial.
A lot of the stuff that I learned here, I take it back to the mill. I like to build things, and everything I was building before I got in this program, it was falling apart. So I've been learning the basics and the fundamentals of everything to get my foundation straight. I learned a lot of ways to do things safely instead of just going by the head first, because we don't have that many injuries now because of this program.
Then it takes longer for it to push that plunger up. The movement of the plunger becomes affected by the slope. The Millwright Apprenticeship Program is a 3-part online technical training, a practical workshop, and on-the-job training that encompasses the skills of developing millwrights to become safer, more efficient within the sawmill industry.
The apprenticeship program for me has helped me build my self-esteem, my safety awareness, my communication skills, my leadership skills, and my knowledge base has gone from here to here. With the information that Interfor gives, which is a once-in-a-life opportunity, where are you going to go and go to school for free? It's just helping me become a better millwright on a more precise level, and I'll actually be able to give back to my peers who may not want to go to the school, but want to learn when they see me do work, and that's an accurate way.
Our L1 was 26, and our L2 now was 63. We want to be able to watch that dial as it comes around, because if our rough alignment is too far out, this dial can go all the way around.
So we usually do things on the board. We'll learn the fundamentals, and then we'll take it to the workshop, and we'll do the hands-on about it.
You're pretty close. Let's have a look at your numbers. Because the numbers are, there's a big deviation to those numbers in the horizontal, and it depends on where you stop here.
And we take that learning experience, we go in the mill with it, even though a lot of times the motor will be upside down, you gotta lay on your back and do it. But it's in the same concept though.
With the advancement in technology, things are changing in such a short period of time, and it is important to keep millwrights up to speed and educated and trained on all of the technology that is out there and being implemented into the sawmill.
Technology that goes into the mills now, it's more optimization, more hands-off, and as it gets to that, there's more and more emphasis on the skilled trades with electricians and with millwrights. But all that makes it a safer environment. The less you have to put your hands in the line of fire, the better off you are.
Safety is number one. Our logo says that our people are our greatest asset, and our people can't work if they're hurt. So we really enforce safety, we really push it because we don't want anyone to get hurt. We want everybody to return home the same way they came.
Safety is a big priority at Interfor because, you know, as you come into Interfor working, you want to come back home even better than you came into Interfor. So make sure when you come into Interfor, everything is safe in the environment, and for us to work in a safety environment means, you know, a safety workplace and, you know, a happy workplace.
Safety is extremely important at Interfor, extremely important. Our job may not seem as dangerous, but it's very dangerous due to the type of machine that is being used. And so a lot of electric, hydraulic things are being used, so therefore safety comes into play by making sure that we can operate at the most productive and the most cleanest ability.
These companies, we like to promote from within, and we like to grow our people and teach our people how to run these mills. You get out of it what you put into it, and we look for those people that come in and work hard and show promise. That's the kind of people I like to grow into supervisors and future leaders.
When I first started at Interfor, I didn't know what Interfor was, and so anyone that's around me, you know, I tell them about Interfor, they pay great, and so anyone that's young, I try and get them, you know, come here and stay here for a long time to where, you know, they can retire.